Samuel, head of an ashram, once visited Jabaraj, a respected elderly man. It grew late, so Jabaraj offered him a room upstairs for the night. While climbing the stairs, Samuel's slippers tore. He asked if anyone could repair them, but Jabaraj simply said, "It's too late tonight. Rest now. We'll sort it in the morning." The next morning, Samuel came downstairs to find his slippers neatly and beautifully repaired. Surprised, he asked how someone had been found so early. Jabaraj smiled quietly. "It was me. Years ago, on a ship from England to India, I befriended some cobblers. I learned the craft from them, and last night, it came in useful." A man standing, repairing a torn slipper in the night, without fuss, without pride. No work is beneath a humble person. Every skill learned, however small, has its moment. And every task done faithfully, however ordinary, is noticed. As Jesus tells us, "Well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful with a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Come and share your master's happiness." What small, unglamorous task are you doing faithfully today?